Okay, Cuxton will make a start. Hello and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. I hope you're all doing okay. Last week was a fantastic week at school, but also all the children at home, you did a wonderful job in meeting my Explore value. Lots of children sent in photos of you cooking, of you riding your bikes and so on. And it was really lovely to see how well you're doing at home, so keep it up. Okay, let's get cracking with our certificates for today. So we'll start with early years, and the first one goes to Addison for her amazing discussion about friendship and loneliness when reading the story The Lost and Found. So well done, Addison. Keep it up. Okay, sorry, children. An email came through, so I couldn't show it. There we go. Well done, Addison. And now a certificate for Charlotte for being an incredible storyteller. You could retell the story Lost and Found very well. So well done, Charlotte. A certificate for Alfie for being a writing wizard. You can use full stops, capital letters and finger spaces. Wow, Alfie, that's phenomenal. And a certificate here for Lily D for her amazing subject knowledge in maths, recognising numbers to 10. Well done, Lily. You should be so proud of yourself. Okay, we're off to year 1. And Truly's got a certificate here for believing in herself and doing some amazing reading videos. I'd love to see those videos, Truly, so please do send them in. To William for aspiring to complete an amazing internet safety poster. Well done, William. We know how important internet safety is at the moment. Well done to Violet for her fantastic sentences using subordinating conjunctions. Congratulations, Violet. And to Shakemi for her hardworking and dedicated attitude towards her home learning. Well done, Shakemi. Doesn't surprise me at all. And we've also got one here for Marnie for showing enjoyment and enthusiasm in her learning. Well done, Marnie. Okay, we've got one here for Teddy for aspiring to be an amazing scientist and videoing his scientific experiment. Well done, Teddy, in year 1. Okay, off to year 2 now. So we've got Sam, who's working hard and aspiring to do his best, demonstrating that aspiring value, Sam. We've got one here for Rosie F for believing in herself, even when things might be difficult. Keep it up, Rosie. Keep persevering. Well done for Violet for great use of coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. And well done to Oliver and Emily M for being respectful and hardworking learning partners. Wow, keep it up, children. It's lovely to see a pair of children receiving a certificate. Now we're off to year 3. So for always being enthusiastic and putting in 100% effort at home, so clearly demonstrating the enjoy value. Well done to Maggie. To Owen, for persevering when work was a little bit tricky. So being resilient. Well done to Owen. Well done to Isabel for beautiful presentation in her work at home. So demonstrating those high standards, Isabel. And a big well done to Christian for showing the belief value for creating a volcano using positive and negative space. I'd love to see that, Christian. So off to year 4. So I know on Friday, Mrs. Searle was so proud of you, and I know Mrs. Jinks was as well, for some of the raps that were sent in as part of your music task. So this certificate goes to Randall for his brilliant rap. Well done, Randall. And well done to Theo for his fantastic work in English. Keep it up, Theo. Well done to Bella C for her brilliant attitude to her maths task. Well done, Bella. And well done to Matilda for her brilliant work in maths. Keep it up, Matilda. Off to year 5. So we've got one here for Poppy for demonstrating resilience and trying hard with maths. Well done, Poppy. Temaleo for his excellent work in maths. Lots of maths certificates this week, children. Puts a big smile on my face. Well done to Millie for constantly trying hard in all her subjects. Keep it up, Millie. And well done to Stanley for aspiring to do his best in his maths lesson as well. Well done, Stanley. Off to year 6. So we've got a certificate here for Alana for doing amazingly careful work, doing amazing careful work for her home learning. Well done, Alana. Love to see what you've been up to. Well done to Eloise for always extending her learning at home, for clearly challenging yourself, Eloise. Lovely to hear. Well done to Charlie F for going above and beyond in his home learning. Keep it up, Charlie. And well done to Scarlett C for an excellent diary entry. Well done, Scarlett. So they're all the individual certificates for this week. So now we need to go to the year group certificates around the tidiest classrooms, the children that are engaging most at home, and so on. So this week, the tidiest classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, year 1. Well done, year 1. Keeping your classroom lovely and tidy. I know the cleaners are so impressed. Now this week in Key Stage 2, the junior school, the tidiest classrooms goes to, drum roll, stop, year 3 and year 4. I know Mrs. Hackett and Mrs. Humphreys had a really difficult task this week trying to pick one classroom, and they were particularly impressed with the improvement in year 4. So well done, year 4. Now this week, my home learning certificate goes to one particular year group for producing home learning of a really high quality. And as I said earlier, Mrs. Searle and Mrs. Jinks, who were working at home last week, were so impressed with the music tasks that were being emailed into them on Friday. And I had a look Friday night and they put a massive smile on my face. So a big well done to year 4 for producing home learning of a really high quality. But also year 4, what I was so impressed by is I looked at the engagement register today, the teachers have to fill in, and I want to make a particular mention to Holly class. Holly class, last week, Mrs. Jinks and Mrs. Searle only had to make one phone call. And that one phone call, there was a really valid reason as to why that child hadn't participated in home learning last week. So that is absolutely phenomenal, Holly class. Well done. So my last certificate before I move on to the Golden Book is for a group of our staff. And as you know, I've introduced a new certificate whilst we're partially closed. So to recognise the efforts of the staff in the school. And this week, I would like to nominate Adele, Ollie and Tara, all our office staff, for being so organised and also always smiling, even though I give them lots and lots of jobs. So regularly I go into Adele and Tara and say, can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? And I'm always emailing Ollie at home to give him tasks to do. And they do them with a big smile on their face. So thank you to Adele, Ollie and Tara for all that you are doing. Now, the Golden Book this week. Last week, it was really pleasing to hear that children were working so well at home that the class teachers wanted to recognise their hard work in the Golden Book. And I had some teachers email me and say, Mrs. Alderbrew, I know these children are not in school, but the quality of the work has been so phenomenal that actually I feel they need to go in the book. And I said, absolutely. So we've got a fair few names this week, Cuxton, so bear with me. The first one is Harry in early years for his brilliant sentence writing. The next one is for Zen in year 1 for his amazing factual writing. Then we've got Owen in year 3 for his super effort with his writing. There's a bit of a thing going on here. Lots of math certificates and lots of writing in the Golden Book. The next one goes to Bella B in year 4 for an amazing PowerPoint presentation about cyberbullying. It was so informative. Now, the next one, we've got Moyo, Seb, Marnie, Tiger, Alexander, Amelie, Paige, Rosie, Mitchell, Joey D, Renee and Harley, all in year 1 for their fantastic understanding of repeated addition and arrays. Oh, I've just seen here, Harry's in the book again in early years for his incredible doubling and tripling in maths. Tripling in early years. Wow. We've now got Alex and Finley in year 3 for their great efforts with their handwriting and ideas for a news report all around Mount Vesuvius. We've got Poppy in year 5 for showing great perseverance with long multiplication. She cracked it. Well done, Poppy. We've got Fraser in year 6, an amazing letter to Charles Darwin, all about an imaginary creature he has discovered. We've got Callie in year 6, an incredible poem that tells the story of a new species she has discovered. Superb use of vocabulary and rhymes. We've got Poppy and we've got Amelia in year 3 for an amazing news report filled with super facts and quotes all about Mount Vesuvius erupting. And finally, we've got Tammy in year 5 for her brilliant understanding of division. Wow, that's amazing, children. So many names to read out this week. And at some point, a postcard will be coming your way in the post. So that's it for this week, children, for Celebration Assembly. Keep up the hard work. Children working at home, please keep sending your photos in. I'm loving responding to them, particularly one that I received this morning. So 2 children at home, the Dawsons. I would love to join your Dawson's Diner at the weekend. It looked like you had a wonderful time making your dinners and having your face masks and painting your nails. So please keep sending those photos in, children. It's lovely to see what you're up to outside of school. I'll speak to you soon. Have a lovely week. Bye.